Kind of a cool, hazy morning. Just gonna polish up the Tacoma. A big day ahead of us. We are going to Cars and Coffee at a local restoration shop this morning. And then they're doing a trail cleanup for area close to home. It's an area that we quite frequent, and people are disgusting and leave a lot of trash. So we are off for the day. So everybody's mounted up. We're just headed out to do a little trail cleanup here. So should be fun. Pretty crazy. There's a whole ton of people out here. They brought like 4 of these 4 dump trailers or whatever, waste trailers, and just cleaning up the trash. Oh. So we spent a good hour or so on the first spot. Jimmy John's donated some sandwiches and some chips, some water for lunch. And now we are moseying up the trail a little further and do some more cleaning. Yep. So now they have, we kind of got that area, everything that they had marked was all cleaned up, and we are rolling to a different spot near the Vasa Trailhead off Supply Road, and we're going to kind of reposition the whole organization over there and do some more cleanup there, but we were the only other guys that were super familiar with all these 2-tracks, so we got volunteered into leading the group. So I could either be really good or really bad. We'll see how it goes.
He's like, I know I'm on video.
Yeah, now he stops.
Wow!
He's like, Dad, it is hot. I'm starting to get hot.